Hello!
Welcome!
Hello, hello!
Here with dear Ebony, and she's such a divine angel. Honestly, she's a really big part of why this is happening, and she really has a powerful ability to visualize and make things happen. She just sees things. Like, you're a visionary.
Katie's my encouragement.
I'm good at encouraging her, but she's like the one that's making things happen, and yeah.
Katie too. She's bringing everyone together, all of you guys, and making us delicious food every day. Light and fun energy, you know?
Like Ebony here, she's a really big part of it. She's even split the soil with me. She's cultivating all these plant babies. She's coming like on a regular basis to help.
Katie, can I come in the morning? I want to be with the babies. You know, we've had people bring their artistic skills when it comes to the rocks and decorating.
I love the colors you chose. It looks so good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yay! It adds so much to the whole garden. Like, it just makes everything pop.
How you're so welcoming of everyone's artistic vision and accepting of it. You trust everyone's vision.
Miss Jessica just brought this lovely decoration because she loves art and decorating. Yes! And what do we have here?
A little fairy on a turtle.
I love it! It's so cute!
Yeah.
Oh, what's this?
So this one says Love Blooms.
What? No way! Miss Rosa just arrived and she brought all these treasures, and we're gonna actually use these treasures into beautifying the nature. So I'm quite excited to see how these are going to be implemented. I'm trusting, you know, the creative, artistic flow of everyone here to flow it together in a beautiful way. So let's see what unfolds.
Anything that comes from Earth is sacred anyway. Right? I saw them as wings.
Wow!
Right?
Oh my gosh!
They're actually like wings because I saw this.
That's
as like,
beautiful.
I saw this as another portal for another being to come.
This is the heart labyrinth.
I'm making a little fairy village here because fairies like to feel like they have a community and they have places to play and jump. They're all about play. So I'm right now getting into the mode of their world, which is so playful and fun.
So we're just painting rocks right now. And it's really fun. No matter what your skills are, there's something you can do here.
Yes.
We have a job for you.
We'll put you to work.
You'll have fun while doing
Fun
it.
work.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
You'll love every minute.
Yeah.
I'm in the garden a lot. Katie's in the kitchen a lot.
Look at this. So we just made some yumminess for the garden crew. Hey garden crew! Got Thai coconut curry with beets for that rooting, grounding goodness. We've got some like sweet potato noodles with some yummy saucy deliciousness. And we've got a salad with some of our garden goodies. And our beautiful punch. Punch!
Beautiful.
With date sugar.
Look at all the colors.
Definitely. Lots of nourishment.
Yeah. I've been here the last 3 days that it's gone in, and I have to say, out of all the experiences that I've had in my life, this is the most full. Where it's physical, you know, I'm getting dirty and I'm getting in the ground and I'm wearing bare feet and it feels amazing. The birds here are so loud, in the sun, good weather. I've also had great, amazing food, thanks to this one. Like, amazing, like no skimping out here.
Cook up some dinner. So just wondering, how do you guys want to feel? Any requests? What kind of energy do you want to bring in?
Power, energy, yes.
Energy,
Okay.
power, energy,
Uplifting,
light, fresh.
yes, light, fresh,
Yes.
Got it.
yes.
It's happening.
Woo, thank you, Katie.
Baked nectarines and beautiful coconut cream sweetened with Leva date sugar. This is going to be absolutely divine for the goddesses.
Gourmet.
Oh my god.
Divine.
Oh, wow.
Amazing.
It's so sexy. I feel like it's such a sexy dessert.
Yeah.
Food is medicine, and soon we're going to be harvesting the food and putting it in the cooking. Fruit salads happening for the crew with cashew cream sauce sweetened with Leva date sugar and divine chaz cinnamon.
Been putting this in like everything, like my smoothies and the cookies that we made during the cooking class.
Kat and I were just out in the garden. We were just going on about it. It's our place to create. It's our canvas.
I love it.
Yeah.
What a blessing. So. Archways are getting built.
Oh wow. It's coming. It's coming. Looks beautiful.
Hoses up the walls so that we have green everywhere. We want to get everything green and private and closed off and shaded and beautiful. So bushes along here to make a little cozy nook. Like raspberry bushes you can also eat while you're sitting.
Irrigation systems by our lovely water engineer, Kat.
Found one on the road, a hose, and as I was walking down, a man walks by and says, "Oh, do you want another hose? I have one." And he just brought one out from his backyard. So now we have two hoses.
Yes!
Just like that.
That's how it's done.
I've been traveling for a long time, and I've met lots of people. But here, I've met some of the most outstanding, genuine people I've ever met.
We even had a clothing swap
Yeah.
instead of people going shopping. Which
This is what I got as well.
Yeah, it matches her perfectly. It matches her new bracelet. Big thanks to Selena Moon, who actually donated jewelry for the beautiful gardeners. So we're open to all sorts of support wherever you are in the world. If there's some way you want to be a part of this, is there some way you want to contribute, we're totally open to your inspired flow. There's a lot happening and a lot of possibilities. Our intention is for everyone to feel welcome and nourished and included and plugged into whatever it is that you may be good at in relation to supporting the group, supporting the garden, the land, the nature. There's a role for everyone here and in other gardens.
So it's a real community space for upliftment. Let's put it at that. And it's opportunity to learn as well. We have had a lot of different people, a lot of different expertise come through when it comes to gardening, when it comes to living healthy. A lot of nutritionists. You want to boost your health, I'm telling you, this will do it.
For sure. You feel so alive. Like, we see how people walk in versus how they walk out. And they get healed, they get uplifted, they get a new friendship, support
yeah.
group, community. They get goodies. You know, there's always surprises. Yeah. There's
Cookies, bracelets, chocolate, clothes.
Yeah. Get in the garden, whether it be with us or with yourself at home or in your friend's home, your family's home, and just connect with the magic of planting a seed and watching it flow and flourish and taking in that nourishment.
Every day we get so much work done.
It's so much work done.
I'm like blown away.
It's so productive. I love it.
It's so much fun. It's like a full.
It's so fun. It's like a party. But we get so much
I
done.
know. It's weird how it just happens.
It's so easy when you come together.
Yeah.
Like everyone
with
just
people.
plugs into. There's something magical about a community coming together and plugging into whatever it is that you are in the mood for, whatever you feel inspired to do, whatever you're enjoying.
Yeah, there's no orders. There's no
Yeah.
dictatorship.
No.
It's just like
Do whatever
everyone
you want.
is like little ants moving
Yeah.
and doing stuff.
It's really magical.
And dancing in the meantime. Like
Dancing, drums, salad, banana bread, curry coming. And some vegetable magic over here. Yummy. And some wild rice. Ooh.
Wow, what an amazing journey this has been, and attracted the most beautiful, wonderful souls. I'm so grateful to be in this beautiful space with these wonderful people. It feels so healing to be in this garden, to be eating from this garden, to be sharing this goodness out with the world. And may this video inspire you to do it as well in your own way. This whole journey has actually inspired me to get good, organic, wholesale food out to people for more affordable prices. Feel free to connect if you would love to up-level your health and energy. You're welcome to come for a Reiki energy healing, a cooking retreat, online cooking class, holistic nutrition coaching. Would absolutely love to connect and support you on your journey.